Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, you are welcome, and for the old subscribers, you are welcome too. And if this is your first time watching my video, you are welcome, and please subscribe. Today I'll be showing you how to use your spiral coils extension for braiding. The spiral coil extension for braiding. So after removing it from the pack, don't bother patting it, or don't bother sharing it for braiding, because you really find it hard. What you will do, just dip it inside the bucket of water, cold water. Please dip it inside the bucket of cold water, because we are trying to make it easy for you to always cut it out and weave with it. Dry it up very well. You can use towel or you can use your hand, but the thing dry very fast. Then after, just apply your mega growth, or if you have olive oil or any moisturized cream or shiny cream that you can apply. But for this, I'm using my mega growth daily leave-in condition straightener. So apply it on it, then you see how easy it is for you to cut. If you do this method, you don't need to find it hard to cut your spiral extension or waste the attachment, because one thing about this extension is that if you don't know how to cut it, or you don't know how to do it before using it to plait, you will really find it hard to weave with it. You might even end up wasting a bundle before realizing that this extension is not easy to use. So by doing this step, you see how very it's easy for you to weave with it. So then after doing that method, you can weave with it or not. That's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed, just try and subscribe for me now. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye, and thanks for watching.